Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be smoking some pork belly burnt ends. They're so good, they must be bad for you. These magical pork belly pieces. Let's waste no time and get on with these. Let's start by lighting a chimney of charcoal. We're going to be using the offset method. We'll want the barbecue sitting at a temperature around 108 degrees Celsius or 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to make our basic pork rub. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Next, we're going to need a slab of pork belly. When choosing a piece of pork belly, you want to ensure it has roughly a 70% meat to 30% fat ratio. I personally find this gives an outstanding balance with enough fat to baste the pork, and every bite has that perfect amount of meat. Cut it into 3cm cubes. Then season with our pork rub. Place the pork belly on a wire rack. This will allow the heat to cook all sides of the meat evenly. Smoke for 1 to 2 hours or until the outside of the pork belly has a nice bark. I'm using apple wood to add that beautiful sweet smoky flavour. Once the pork belly has developed that beautiful bark, remove it from the grill and allow the barbecue to reach 120 degrees Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to place the pork belly into a barbecue pan to braise. This is where the real magic happens. Then add 1/4 cup of butter to take the edge off the sweetness of the sauce and the sourness of the apple cider vinegar. Pour over your choice of barbecue sauce. Handy tip to get that last bit of barbecue sauce out of the bottle. Use a bit of apple cider vinegar to swish it around and get that last bit out. Some people like to also use brown sugar, but I personally find there's enough sweetness in the barbecue sauce as it is. Cover with foil and place back on the barbecue. The pork belly will braise in the sauce and become nice and tender. After about an hour and a half, your pork belly burnt ends should be tender. Remove the foil and toss the pork belly in the pan to coat it with the barbecue sauce. This will help caramelize the barbecue sauce to the outside of the pork. Place back on the barbecue for another 15 minutes, and once that sauce is caramelized to the outside of the meat, you're ready to serve up, and there you have it, pork belly burnt ends. These are beautiful, tender, and have that delicious caramelized barbecue sauce on the outside. Serve them up as a starter at your next party or have them as a side dish at your next barbecue. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.